Another thing that makes Ampirical unique is that we take a lot of automation out of PLSCAD. We take the XML files out of PLSCAD, bring them into Excel, and manipulate that data to give us the answers that we want. We go through all that data automatically to find out that if our staking sheets are accurate, if the model is accurate, if we have a pole that's not exactly on a PI point, it'll let us know that and flag it. If the span links in our staking sheet is not matching the span links in our model, it'll flag that and let us know, all by a touch of a button. It'll go through the whole model really quick, give us all those answers really quick. That would take hours to actually go through the model piece by piece, span by span, to figure out those problems. So we do a lot of automation using Excel, taking that XML file from PLSCAD and getting those answers really quick. Some examples, we've done a lot of QA/QC for other consultants that the clients actually push towards us, and in those QA/QCs that we have done, we found guy wires going through the middle of a building. We found wires actually crossing each other. We found poles that are not exactly on the PI point. So little things like that when you do a QA/QC, you may not catch as you're going through it, but using an automated tool, it's going to catch those little minute details that you typically wouldn't catch.
No, so that's really interesting. So you're saying that your customers are actually encouraging other people that they've hired to come through you to do this process.
Yeah, we've had one of our customers has a consultant that's doing a large project for them, but actually told them to come to us to do a QA/QC on their distribution portion of the line. So.
And what are some of the reasons that happens? Like why you?
We've been in that working for that customer for a long time. I think we've developed that relationship where they trust us. They know the work that we've done in the past has been very good, and that we always provide a quality product. So we've been around there a lot, and I think they're comfortable with us and know the processes that we go through and the details that we go through to make sure that they get a good product.
Absolutely. And kind of give us one detailed example of what are some things that you guys have prevented from happening by doing this process?
Well, we've prevented a lot of rework. I mean, of course, when they get out in the field, they're not going to put a guy wire through a building, right? But if they're out there, they put the pole in the ground, and all of a sudden they realize that guy wire is going to go through that building. Then they're making changes out in the field, which could cause delays in construction, could cause material problems, could cause land issue problems and permitting problems, which could really delay a project. So those little minor details, come into play in the long run.
So saving a lot of time, but then also saving a lot of money.
That's correct.